Hi there, I'm Tab from Cimilre, and I want to talk about something that surprises a lot of people who pump: breast shield sizing. If pumping feels painful or uncomfortable, or like your output is lower than it should be, there's a good chance your breast shield size isn't the right fit. The right size can make a huge difference in comfort, letdown, and how effective your sessions are. But most people are never shown how to measure, and oftentimes end up guessing. That's exactly why Cimilre created Get the Right Fit. You can measure yourself at home using the free ruler found on our website, or the one that comes inside the box of your pump. Fill out a quick form online and request a free breast shield replacement in your correct size. And if you'd rather have help, you can book a free 15-minute virtual sizing consult with one of our certified lactation counselors who will guide you through the process. Either way, your replacement breast shield is shipped to you completely free. This works for all Cimilre pumps. It's quick, simple, and designed to take the guesswork out of pumping, so you can be comfortable and confident with every session. Visit CimilreBreastPumps.com to get started with Get the Right Fit today.